Smells good, this looks good, but I don't know if this is edible. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And now if you are a 90s kid and you have grown up with watching Sanjeev Kapoor show, I am pretty sure you can relate to this, that you always wanted your own cooking show. Well, today my dream has come true because today we are cooking some amazing pizza and lasagna, or at least we hope to do that. Let's start. Okay, the first thing that you need to do before you start cooking is tie your hair in a bun and switch on the fan because it's too hot. Okay, now since we are making too many things today, we're going to multitask. Okay? But first thing first, we need pizza ka atta. Oh, pizza ka dough. What is pizza ka atta? We need pizza dough, and because I couldn't find any yeast, I'm going to use baking soda, baking powder and some curd, and I need to keep that aside for 1 hour. हम पहले से start करते हैं, then we'll move on to different things. Now I'm not following any particular recipe. मैंने 2-4 recipes पढ़ी हैं और 2-3 videos देखे हैं and taken notes. So I'm hoping that this will work. We'll give 1 cup of maida, 1/4 cup of atta, put 3 tablespoons of dahi, okay. Now we need to make a mixture of baking soda, 1 spoon of baking soda, baking powder, little bit of powder and some oil. So I'm using this olive oil. And mix them. We'll mix the dahi with atta and then we'll mix this in that mixture. Okay, the mixture has been mixed with this dough and now we'll add some water and mix it all again. This is normal dough के साथ करते हैं. But make sure this needs to be runny and not perfectly kneaded. Keep adding water as and when required. The dough is ready now to be kept aside. The recipe video said that dough should be runny. This feels runny. We'll keep it aside for 1 hour and then we'll see whether this can be used or not. I don't know if this is experimental cooking or amateur cooking. Okay, so we have kept our dough aside and now we'll move on to our red sauce because उसमें ज़्यादा time लगेगा, so we'll do that, and side by side we'll also start with our white sauce for lasagna. So for red sauce we need tomatoes cut in half. I've taken about half kg, 1 onion chopped and lot of garlic because why not. These are about 20 cloves cut in half, not chopped properly. You don't need to chop anything fine because we'll grind it all in the end. Now to make the red sauce, take a pan and heat some oil in it. Add garlic cloves and onions and give them a stir. Now add some oregano and chili flakes, mix them well and let them cook for a while. Let all the juices release in the oil. Lastly, add tomatoes and salt, mix it all well, cover the pan and remember we have to cook it on sim. Okay, so our red sauce is cooking here and I thought जब तक ये बन रही है ना तब तक white sauce भी बना लेते हैं. It will save some time. So here's a pan जिसमें थोड़ा सा oil है. Now we'll mix some maida in it, some milk, some cheese and some salt, black pepper, oregano and chili flakes. Let's start. Take a pan, heat some oil in it and add 1-1.5 spoons of maida. Mix it well. Now take milk and start adding it into the pan slowly while mixing it. We have to make sure that there are no lumps in the mixture. I have taken 2 cups of milk here. You can take according to the consistency you want to keep. Now keep mixing it till every lump has dissolved. Once done, add salt, pepper, oregano and chili flakes according to your taste. Mix them well. Now add cheese. I have taken cheese slices here, but you can take whatever you have or prefer. Let the cheese melt in the mixture. Keep stirring and make sure there are no lumps. Once all done, do taste it and add more salt, pepper, oregano or chili flakes if required. Update on our red sauce. Our tomatoes are being cooked beautifully. Keep mashing them gently. Once all pulpy, add some sugar to balance the taste. I also add a little ketchup. Mix it well and let it cool. Once all cool down, grind it. So my battery died, and now that I've charged my phone again, here's what you missed. So let's start with our pizza base now. Spread some sukha maida on chakla. Our dough has now rested for 1 hour and is good to use. I tried making one sample. It was good. Okay, so portion your dough and make sure that you sprinkle some sukha maida on it. Also on your hands, वरना काफी चिपकेगा. Now all you need to do is keep pressing it to give it a desired shape or any shape. This is amateur cooking, shape doesn't matter till the time it's edible. Now take a pan or a tawa and heat it and grease it evenly. It's time to cook your pizza base. Cook it nicely from one side. Let your base get that nice golden color. Now on to another side. Spread your pizza sauce on the cooked side. Yes, generous amount of sauce. I am not using any vegetables, but if you want, you can. Saute them a little before you do that. Now, let's add cheese. Lots of cheese. Yes, some more. Nice. The more the cheesier it is, the better it is. Cover your tawa now with a lid and let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, let's check. This looks really nice. पीछे से हो गया है. Now let's take it off in a plate. Some oregano. Some oregano. And some chili flakes. Now let's cut this. Moving on to lasagna. In a pan, heat some oil, add onions, cook them slightly and add all the other vegetables. I have used onion, capsicum, peas and corns here. You can add as many vegetables as you like. Add some salt and chili and cook them for 5 minutes. Next time going to assemble lasagna now. We have our sauté vegetables, we have our sauces, we have the pan for lasagna, we have our sheets, we have some grated cheese and some sliced cheese. Now to assemble our lasagna, take a pan and grease it nicely. One nice coat of oil. Now start placing your lasagna sheets in it however you like, no particular order. Take your time, there is no rush. Once done, now spread some white sauce on your sheets. Good amount of white sauce, we have to cover all the sheet. After white sauce, repeat the same thing with red sauce. Take generous amount of red sauce and cover it all over the sheet. Now it's time for our sauté vegetables. Take sauté vegetables and spread it all over the sheets. Nice even coating. Now take your cheese and spread it all over the vegetables. I am taking sliced cheese because that was the only thing that was available to me. You can take whatever cheese you want. There is no hard and fast rule. I am also adding some grated cheese over it. Now all you need to do is just repeat the same pattern till the last of the sheet is done. Once everything is done, cover the pan with lid and cook it for 20 minutes on sim. 20 minutes later, our lasagna is ready to be served. That's it for this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel. Also, if you are an amateur cook like me and if you end up trying this recipe, do leave a comment. I'll see you next week. Bye.